Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix for email marketing. First, navigate to your Wix dashboard and locate the Marketing and SEO section. From there, select Email Marketing to begin creating your campaigns. Wix offers a user-friendly interface with dozens of customizable templates, allowing you to design professional emails quickly. You can easily drag and drop elements, add your brand's colors, and insert compelling content to engage your audience effectively. This streamlined process helps you launch your first campaign in just a few minutes. Building a strong email list is crucial for successful marketing. Wix provides integrated tools like customizable sign-up forms and pop-ups to capture new subscribers directly from your website. You can also easily import existing contact lists, ensuring all your valuable customer data is in one place. Once your contacts are gathered, segment them based on their behavior, purchase history, or demographics. This allows you to send highly relevant messages, improving open rates and engagement significantly, often by 20% or more. Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes designing beautiful emails simple. You can add images, videos, buttons, and text blocks with ease, ensuring your emails are visually appealing and on-brand. Personalization is key. Use subscriber names and other custom fields to make each email feel unique. Before sending, preview your email on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure it looks perfect. You can then choose to send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time, reaching your audience when they are most active. After sending your campaigns, Wix provides robust analytics to track their performance. You can monitor essential metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates directly from your dashboard. These insights help you understand what resonates with your audience and what areas might need improvement. For example, if your open rate is low, consider adjusting your subject lines. By continuously analyzing and optimizing your campaigns, you can achieve better results, potentially increasing your return on investment by 50% or more over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.